Question number 101. Ang mga mata mo ay tulad ng bituin sa kalangitan. Ano ang ginamit na pagpapahayag dito? Pagtutulad, personifikasyon, pagwawangis, pang-uyam. Pagwawangis, letter C. 102. What science deals with the study of outer space? Astronomy, oceanography, paleontology, geology. Astronomy. To pass her English test, Lucille must 75% of the items correct out of 80 questions. How many must she correctly answer? 60. 104. To stimulate the nation's economy and to increase employment, former President Diosdado Macapagal blank. Abolish government repressive control, borrow money from the World Bank, standardize the salaries of government, give incentive to the cottage industries. Letter C. Hindi ko sure. Number 105. The ratio of the number of red, green, and blue balls in a box is 256. How many green balls are there if there are 52 balls in all? 52. Matoy. Hula-hula muna. How many green balls yung pangalawa? 8 na lang muna. 8. 106. Which of the following is expressed clearly? Effectively states the idea and has no structural error. Good teachers possess a capacity for connectedness, not in the method but in their hearts, a place where intellect, emotion, spirit, and converge in the human self. Good teachers possess a capability for cooperation, not in the method but in the where the knowledge, spirit, emotion converge. Good teachers are capable to promote. Good teachers have the capacity to do the letter B. 107. We're late. By the time we get to the cinema, the film has started. Kasi late na sila. 108. One of the objectives of Philippine education as provided in 1987 Constitution is to promote respect for human rights. To give flesh to their constitutional mandate, President Aquino issued an order requiring human rights to be integrated in the school curricula. Which of the following specifies the said directives? Respect to human rights. Baka letter B, Executive Order number 27. Hindi ko alam. Number 109. In which part of the flower develop into seeds? Pistil, ovary, ovules, ovary wall. Pistil. 110. Renewable, a resource that is inexhaustible, a process where one plate is forced under another. The blanket of air surrounding the air. Describe how different types of rock are formed. Renewable. Ko alam, letter A yata. 111. Which of the following is expressed clearly, effectively states the idea, and has no structural error? Albert himself told me it was true. Albert himself told me it was true. Albert told me it was true himself. Albert told me himself it was true. Letter A. Did you have lunch on holiday? Did you have Did you have good weather on holiday? C. Number 113. A behavioral psychologist would probably say that introspection is a useful way to study mental process. The mind is most important when analyzing behavior. We act based on rewards and punishment received. The unconsciousness stimulates our behavior. Sino ang naglimbag ng El Ginto de Pueblo ng panahon ng Amerikano? Sergio Osmeña, Pascual Poblete, Jose Palma, Francis. I don't know. Jose Palma, hula. When two missing digits in a given number are replaced, the number is divisible by 99. What is the number? Wala akong calculator, kaya letter A na muna tayo. Hindi ko sure. Verse 116. Which of the following documents embodies the general principle of human rights which set forth the minimum standard of living for all people of the world? General principle of human rights, International Covenant on Civil Rights, Covenant of Socio-Economic Human Rights. Letter C siguro. 17. Ibigay ang tayutay na nagamit sa sumusunod. Ilaw ng tahanan, ikaw ang sandigan, lamyos ng pagmamahal, sa pag-unlad ko'y tangan. Metonymia, sinekdota, onomatopeia, pagtawag, onomatopeia ata yan. A secret word that must be entered into a computer before a person is allowed access to information is called input, password, program statement. Password. Are you going shopping now? No, but I might go later. But I might go later. 120. The Code of Ethics of Professional Teacher provides that a teacher has the right and duty to determine the academic marks and the promotion of learners. What is the obligation of a teacher in relation to aforementioned right as mandated in the Education Act of 1982? The teacher has the right and duty to determine the academic marks and promotion of learners. Refrain from making deduction in students' rating for acts not of for scholarship. Refrain from discriminating high and low achievers in the classes they handle. Refrain from influencing corporal punishment make it basic for deduction of scholastic rating. Refrain from segregating the fast and slow learner for convincing and rating them. Letter D. Number 21, 20. Which of the following is expressed clearly, effectively states the idea and has no structural error? A strange car kept blinking the lights at us as he followed closely. A strange car followed closely and he kept blinking his light at us. A strange car followed us closely and its driver kept blinking his eyes. A strange car blinking the light at us followed closely. Which of the following is the catalytic converter on cars in the control technology? Catalytic converter of cars. Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, sulfur. Carbon monoxide. What type of cooperative provides assistance to general public such as transportation, health, and housing? Consumer, Joseph, credit, service, consumer. Which is the base of a triangle that shapes us into what we are? Environment, heredity, training, school. Heredity. 125. Blank up or will be late. Be hurrying up. You hurry up. Hurry up or will be late. Hurry up. 126. Which of the following demonstrate sublimation? Dry ice evaporating. Perspiration drying. Laundry drying. Steam forming water droplets. Letter C ata. Ano ang salitang ugat ng kaunlaran? Unlad. Mali. Kanluran pala. Kalan, kanlong, lunan, lunod. Kanluran. Kalan, kanlong, lunan, lunod. Kanlong. A teacher wants to group her pupils into group of 3 or 5 or 6. However, she found out that if she do not do that, there will always be one pupil left. What is the least possible number of pupils in the class? Divisible by 3, 5, and 6. 11. 129. Ibigay ang aspekto ng pandiwa sa sumusunod na pangungusap. Mag-aral sa bahay ng mga araling ukol sa agham at teknolohiya. Mag-aral sa bahay ng mga araling ukol sa agham at teknolohiya. Pawatas, kontemplatibo, imperfectibo, perfectibo. Pawatas. 130. Blank taong masipag sa loob ng bulwagan. May taong masipag. Wala ang sagot sa pagpipilian. May taong masipag sa loob ng bulwagan. Mayroong taong masipag sa loob ng bulwagan. Parang naman, letter C. 131. Who has greater moral responsibility and why? The lazy master teacher who does not teach well, or the beginning teacher who is grouping where she teaches and so does not teach well either. The master teacher who is older and more experienced. The master teacher who is expected to have more knowledge and freedom cannot be determined. Age, experience, or freedom does not necessarily make someone more or less morally responsible than the other. Both equally morally responsible. Letter C. 132. Which of the following is expressed clearly? Effectively states the idea and has no structural error. I would not want to be he. I would not want to be himself. I would not want to be themselves. I would not want to their self. I would not want to be himself. Be siguro yan. Alin ang tamang babala sa pagtatapon ng basura? Gamitin ang basurahan sa inyong bahay, huwag dito. Dito ang tambakan ng basura. Huwag magtapon ng basura dito. Huwag mag-ipon ng basura dito. C. 134. Which is the most important perceived need and problem of the Filipino family? unemployment of financial problem or proneness to vices, overprotective of children, double standard on the roles of male and female, which is the most important perceived need and problem of the unemployment or financial problem. 135. Which of the following statements about living things is false? All living things use energy to function. All living things are composed of cells. All living things have a nervous system. All living things are capable of reproduction. All living things have a nervous system. Alam ko merong walang utak eh. Ipis walang utak ka. Robert Frost wrote on the poem Acquainted with the Night, from which the stanza is taken. I have been unacquainted with the night. I have walked out in the rain, back in the rain. I have outwalked the farthest city light. The poet in the stanza talks of isolate and loneliness, happiness and having been acquainted with the night, joy getting out of the house, youthful delight playing in the rain. Letter B. 137. What form of government is characterized by the separation of powers? Parliamentary, presidential, aristocracy, monarchical. Separation of powers, parliamentary yata. 138. Which is the best evidence that helium gas is lighter than air? Helium has the lowest boiling point of all elements. Helium atoms don't combine with other air atoms. Helium-filled balloons rise in air. By volume, helium makes up only 0.05%. 139. I blank get up at 6 o'clock this morning with much difficulty. I managed to get up at 6 o'clock this morning. 140. One package is 100 pounds and the other is 150 pounds. The weight of the second package is how many times that of the first? 1.5 times. 0.5 heavier. 0.5 heavier. 141. Excursions are encouraged to allow participants to see places. All the 400 personnel feel ill. Doctors' laboratory finding trace the cause to. Excursions are encouraged to allow participants to see places. Congestion at bus would be excessive fats. Extortions, poisoning yata. 142. Which of the following facts support the Big Bang's theory explanation of the creation of the universe? Big Bang. The universe does not expand nor contract. The universe seldom expands. The universe will have background radiation. The universe has no beginning nor end. Big Bang. Letter B ata. 143. In a university, the ratio of female professor to male professor is 8:5. If there are 75 males professor, female and male, How many are female professor? 75. 100. 220. 180. 144. He blank his leg while the blank rugby. He was breaking his leg while he played rugby. While he playing rugby. While he is playing rugby. He broke his leg while he was playing rugby. Letter B. 145. Someone wrote, environment relates to the proper relationship between matter, nature, and society, and in such a context, ICTs bring new ways of living in a more interconnected society, all of which reduces our dependency on matter and affects our relationship with nature. What does this convey? ITC, environment, ICT, are 146. Mantle, the thickness layer of the earth, a process where one plate is forced under another, the blanket of air surrounding the earth. Describes how different types of rocks are formed, the blanket of air surrounding the earth. 147. Hito na, wa, dubi-dubi-du. Alin ang naunang salita o tunog sa linya na nabuo ayon sa teoryang pupo? Alin ang nabuong salita o tunog sa linya na nabuo? Wa. 148. A town that is located blank, it is a location that should have most nearly 12 hours of daylight and 12 hours of darkness during December. A town that is located halfway between the equator and the South Pole. Close to the equator. Close to the North Pole. Close to the South Pole. North Pole yun eh. See. 149. And now for this evening's main headline, Britain blank another Olympic gold medal. Britain had won 150. Charity begins at home. What illustrates this value? Millionaires send checks anonymously. Patrons check out donations by the size of the advertisement. Grandparents stay with the home for the aged. They are nuisance to modern families. Anong bata to? And avoid social cluttering to be able to save food for us. Di yata. Hanapin na natin ang tamang sagot kung makakailan tayo. Download ulit. Ba't na-download to? Number 101. 101 AAB. 105 CAAB. Ang dami kong mali. 113 117 121 CCDB 25 129 133 137 141 145 Ang nakuhang sagot ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22 na naman. 22 over 50 bagsak. Hindi ko pa nabalikan yung kahapon. Bukas babalikan ko itong 1 to 100. Balikan natin kung ano yung mga mali ating sagot. Number 101. What science deals? Mali. Ang mga mata mo ay tulad ng bituin sa kalangitan. Ano ang ginagamit sa pagpapahayag dito? Letter A pala yun. Pagtutulad. Mali yung pagwawangis ang sagot ko. Pagtutulad pala yun. Ang mga mata mo ay tulad ng bituin. Bakit? Parang anong pagkakaiba ng pagtutulad sa pagwawangis? Malalaman natin sa susunod. What science deals with the study of outer space? Tama. Astronomy. Number 103. To pass her English test, Lucille must get 75% items out of 80 questions. 75% of 80 is 60. Tama. Number 104. Mali yung sagot ko. To stimulate the nation's economy and to increase employment, former President Diosdado Macapagal, ang tamang sagot, abolish government repressive controls. Repressive control. 105, letter C. Ito ay math. Susunod natin yan. Babalikan lahat ng math. 106. Which of the following is expressed clearly effective states the idea and has no structural error? Ang tamang sagot ay letter A. Good teachers possess a capacity for connectedness, not in the method but in their hearts, a place where intellect, emotion, spirit, and will converge in the human self. Mali ako. Number 107. We're late Letter A ang tamang sagot. We're late. By the time we get to cinema, the film will have started. Mali pala yung sagot ko na. The film has started. Will have started. 108. One of the objective of Philippines education. Tama yung sagot ko. Letter B. Executive Order number 27. One of the objectives of Philippines education to provide in 1987's Constitution is to promote respect for human rights. Philippine education to promote respect to human life. Tapos 1987. President Aquino. 27, tandaan, Executive Order number 27. 109. In which part of the flower develop into seeds? Letter C. Ovules. Ovules pala yun. In which part of the flower develop into seeds? Akala ko pistil. Pistil pala yung reproduction. Ovules pala yun, yung seeds. 110. Renewable. Tama yung sagot ko. A source that is inexhaustible. Renewable, inexhaustible. 111. Which of the following? Tama sagot ko, letter A. Expression is in no structural error. Albert himself told me it was true. Yun ang tamang sagot, letter A. 112. Did you have blank on holiday? Letter C ang tamang sagot. Tamang sagot ko, good weather. Number 113. A behavioral psychologist would probably, ang tamang sagot ay, we act based on rewards and punishment received. Behavioral psychologists would probably say that we act based on rewards and punishment received. Mali ako. 114. Sino ang naglimbag ng El Ginto de Pueblo? Tama yung hula ako, Jose Palma. El Ginto de Pueblo. Pueblo, Palma. El Ginto de Pueblo. Jose Palma. 115. Letter C ang tamang sagot. Mato, balikan natin yan. 116. Which of the following documents embodied the general principle of human rights which set for the minimum standard of living for all people of the world? Minimum standard of living all people of the world. Ang tamang sagot ay United Nations Declaration on Rights to Develop. United Nations Declaration on Right to Develop, Standard of Living. Okay. Rights to Develop ng nation. 117. 170. Hindi na makita. Ibigay ang tayutay na nagamit sa mga sumusunod. 117. Letter A ang sagot. Mali ako. Ibigay ang tayutay na ginagamit sa sumusunod.